ya kutoa hizo dawa zote katika barabara zetu.
Jatend migao mar aluora Soipan tuyoko ni Kenya omedo kaso tole ber aluora kod longo chal mar lokruok mag lwasi. Tiyo lose kindere mane okelo kanyakla jotelo mag UNEP mawuok e pinje wagunda mane otelo kod director maduong' ma UNEP Inga Anderson matimore kinde ma imanyo yore mar reso chumi kokalo e nyaya aluora kod kungo kor lwasi. Tiyo medo ni Kenya bende ni ong'ala manyime mar chopo lek mar pidho yiende bilion 15 kadoko ni midhiero mag oula yande odwaro chenro.
So would like interviews or anything like that. Have a wonderful day. Thank you. We are working to make sure that we have very bankable mitigation and adaptation plans that can be attractive enough to invite green investment in this country. And the intention of that, in line with our plan as an administration, is to make sure that as we deal with the climate crisis, and this was very prominent in our discussions during the climate summit, we cannot talk about climate action in isolation of the need to address the development concerns of this country. They have to go hand in hand. They cannot continue to be mutually exclusive.
We understand that as we step into renewable energy and phase away from fossil fuels, we are going to step into significant amount of mining. So we need to have a global conversation about how we do that, how it is environmentally responsible, what kind of securities we can put around people's land, about the environmental impacts as well as human rights and child labor, non-child labor.